बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है एनवायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री सेमेस्टर थर्ड, सीक्वेस्ट्रेशन ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। Carbon dioxide CO2 is also called carbonic acid anhydride because it is obtained by the dehydration of carbonic acid. So it is called carbonic acid anhydride. What is meant by sequestration? Dumping of CO2 underground or under deep water to prevent its release in air is called dumping, is called sequestration. Why CO2 should be sequestered? We know that economy of every country is based upon burning of fossil fuel, transport, vehicles, thermal powers, brick kilns, cement industries, all these refineries, factories run on the burning of fossil fuel. Where fossil fuel burns, CO2 is produced. It means production of CO2 cannot be reduced. Therefore, CO must be sequestered because it is the main factor which causes greenhouse effect. And you know that greenhouse effect, we have already read in previous lectures. Greenhouse effect causes global warming. Global warming and acid rain are the main damaging factors for which CO2 is responsible. Therefore, sequestering of carbon dioxide is need of every country. We know that burning of fossil fuel produces more than 1 trillion tons of carbon dioxide every year. 1 trillion in 10 power 12 tons. 1 trillion. So much amount of carbon dioxide produced every year. If it is not sequestered, it will cause huge global warming and acid rain. CO2, which is produced by burning fossil fuel, is in dilute form. For sequestering, following conditions are needed. Number 1, concentration, separation and concentration. Dilute carbon dioxide, which is produced along with other gases, is first separated from these gases by different means, and then it is concentrated so as its volume may be decreased. Secondly, its liquefaction. CO2 is liquefied for sequestration. We know that CO2 is a gas under ordinary condition at room temperature and ordinary pressure of 1 atmosphere. If it is cooled, directly it changes into a solid called dry ice. Only by cooling we cannot change it into liquid. Therefore, its liquefaction needs critical conditions. High pressure of 73 atmospheres can change carbon dioxide into a liquid even at 31 degrees centigrade. After liquefaction, this carbon dioxide is sequestered by how many ways carbon dioxide can be sequestered? About 5 main methods are used to sequester carbon dioxide. Number one is burial of CO2 in unmined coal beds, कि जहां पर कोयले की कानें हैं वहां पर होल्स होते हैं, पोर्स होते हैं, उन होल्स और पोर्स में इस लिक्विड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को पंप किया जाता है. सेकेंडली, बरियल इन माइंड सॉल्ट डोम, जहां से वो गारें जहां से नमक निकाल लिया जाता है वो खाली होती हैं, उनके अंदर भी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लिक्विड को भरा जा सकता है. नंबर 3, डीप एक्यूफायर, जहां पर गहरा पानी हो वहां पर भी इसको सीक्वेस्टर किया जा सकता है. CO2 कैन बी डिप्लीटेड इन ऑयल एंड गैस रिजर्व्स, जहां पर से तेल और गैस निकाली जाती है उन के अंदर भी इस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को हम डंप कर सकते हैं. और नंबर 5, इन ओशियन डेप्थ, गहरे समंदर में भी इसको सीक्वेस्टर किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, we have a thermal power which is producing carbon dioxide in huge amount. Effluent gases are going out, carbon dioxide is separated separation of CO2 concentration liquefaction, then pumps. These pumps send this carbon dioxide into unmined coal beds, mined salt dome, deep aquifer, depleted oil and gas reserves, burial in deep ocean. In deep ocean water, burial of CO2 can be in two ways. When this CO2 is pumped into deep water, it gets dissolved in this water, forming carbonic acid. In deep sea water, at 4,000 meter depth, this carbon dioxide sinks down and forms CO2 lake. CO2 lake. You know that at every 10 meter depth of water, pressure or water thrust is about 1 atm. At 400 meter depth, this carbon dioxide is more denser than water. As compared to water, CO2 is more denser. Therefore, this CO2 will not come out as bubble. It will sink down at the bottom and will form carbon dioxide lake. By these ways, the carbon dioxide which is produced annually more than 1 trillion tons, we can get rid of this carbon dioxide gas. And all these methods which are used to get rid of carbon dioxide produced annually by different ways, we can prevent our atmosphere from carbon dioxide, which is a source of greenhouse effect and causes global warming and acid rain. Thank you.